Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be doing May 2018 paper 2 question number 6, and the question reads: safety first should be the most important consideration in the work environment. List 3 pieces of safety information that persons should know in order to ensure safety in the event of an evacuation from the classroom. Now, the first one would be clearly mapped out evacuation procedures. That simply means where it is that students should go or staff should go in the event of an evacuation from the classroom. Number 2, how to use and access necessary safety equipment. So if it is that it's a fire extinguisher in, say, a foods lab, or whatever other safety equipment there may be in the lab, then we should be able to use and access them accordingly. Number 3, account for all students and staff on site at whichever evacuation point there may be. Number 2, state 3 common hazards that must be avoided in the clothing laboratory. Number 1, avoid eating or drinking around the machines. And we want to point out in this question that the hazards are what cause accidents. So these are the things that we should avoid. So avoid eating or drinking around the machines because this will cause a particular accident. So we want to ensure that when we're answering this question, we don't list the accident, but we list the hazards that will cause accidents to happen. Number 2, avoid placing pins and needles in your mouth. Number 3, no playing around long cords or loose machine parts. Question B. Figure 4 shows a sketch of pajamas to be made from a medium weight navy blue satin. Name the seam that would be best suited for constructing the pajamas. And in this instance, we would use the French seam based on the type of material that is given in the question. The next one says, state 2 properties of the seam that would be suitable for the garment in BI and explain why each property is necessary for constructing the pajamas. Now, the first property is the fact that it is strong and durable. Now, our explanation: the French seam works better on lightweight fabrics and as such tends to prevent unraveling of the seam due to the constant wear and tear of the garment. The second property is that it has a neat finish. So the clean finishing technique on the inside gives a high-end touch to the garment. Question B part 3 says, the collar and interfacing have been cut and are ready for assembly of the pajamas. List 4 steps required in the preparation of the collar for attachment to the neckline. Now in this question, we want to pay attention to the fact that it asks the steps required in the preparation of the collar. So how it is that we are going to prepare the collar for it to be attached to the neckline. Now, some of the steps that we can use in preparing the collar is: 1, attach the adhesive side of the fusible interfacing on the wrong side of the collar and press. Number 2, machine stitch both pieces of the collar with right sides together. 3, trim corners and grade the seam allowance. Number 4, turn collar to the right side and top stitch. Part 4. The jacket of the pajamas in figure 4 on page 21 shows buttons and buttonholes as the fasteners used for closure. Name one suitable fastener other than buttons and buttonholes that could be used. And in this instance, we can use snap fasteners. Now remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And you can always go back to my channel to check out some other past paper revision questions. Until next time, bye.